She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a striking blend of precision, confidence, and explosive stage energy, Lisa didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. She engineered a presence so powerful that it redefined what a main dancer and global idol could represent. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born as LALISA Manobal on March 27, 1997, in Buram, Thailand, her journey began far from Seoul's polished entertainment industry. From an early age, she gravitated toward rhythm and movement, joining dance crews and immersing herself in hip-hop culture. Dance was not a side interest. It was her identity. She trained rigorously in Thailand, building sharp technique and stage confidence long before the global spotlight found her. At 14, she auditioned for YG Entertainment in Bangkok, becoming the only participant selected that year. Soon after, she relocated to South Korea, stepping into a new language, unfamiliar culture, and one of the most demanding trainee systems in the industry. The years that followed were defined by discipline. She refined her rap delivery, strengthened her vocals, mastered complex choreography, and developed multilingual fluency that would later support her international reach. In 2016, she officially debuted as the main dancer and lead rapper of BLACKPINK. The group's debut ignited immediate global interest, and Lisa's razor-sharp movements quickly became a signature element of their performances. Her dance breaks generated viral attention, and her commanding presence positioned her as one of the most recognized performers of her generation. Her performance style, fluid yet controlled, powerful yet precise, stood out on massive stages worldwide. As BLACKPINK expanded into international markets, headlining festivals and dominating charts, Lisa emerged as a cultural bridge, proudly representing Thailand while shaping global pop aesthetics. Her solo era marked a defining milestone. In 2021, she released her debut single album, LALISA. The title track broke multiple YouTube view records, while Money gained remarkable longevity on global streaming platforms. The project emphasized confidence, rhythmic intensity, and visual authority. Rather than remaining defined by group identity alone, she established a distinct solo brand rooted in performance dominance and bold individuality. By 2026, Lisa is regarded as a global performance icon. Industry professionals recognize her discipline and consistency, audiences admire her fearless stage command, and luxury brands view her as a powerful ambassador with worldwide influence. Her career reflects strategic positioning, balancing group achievements with solo expansion and international endorsements. Off-stage, her lifestyle blends playful charisma with structured focus. She maintains a demanding rehearsal schedule, prioritizes physical conditioning, and continues exploring creative outlets within dance and music. Despite global fame, she preserves an approachable energy that resonates strongly with fans. Her fashion identity mirrors her versatility. As a global ambassador for Celine and Bulgari, she transitions seamlessly from street-inspired silhouettes to refined couture. Whether attending Paris Fashion Week or appearing in editorial campaigns, she carries a confident ease that aligns with her stage persona. While public interest often surrounds her personal life, she remains selective about what she reveals, consistently redirecting attention toward her work and creative growth. Within the industry, she is described as hardworking, detail-oriented, and deeply committed to excellence. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects revenue from world tours, record-breaking solo releases, endorsements, and high-profile luxury collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has secured lasting global recognition and cultural impact. What many find remarkable is her relentless drive. Behind the confident performances lies years of disciplined repetition, self-belief, and the courage to move across borders in pursuit of opportunity. That determination quietly defines her trajectory. Lisa's journey is defined by elevation rather than comfort. From a young dancer in Burum to an international pop and fashion powerhouse, her rise reflects resilience, ambition, and calculated growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, dynamic, influential, and built for endurance. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a family of entertainment giants, yet there was always something about him that captured attention instantly. With an exceptionally deep voice, striking visuals, and a personality that balanced warmth with determination, Felix didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. He built a unique identity that made him one of the most recognizable idols of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 15, 2000, in Sydney, Australia, Felix's journey began far from the bustling entertainment industry of South Korea. Raised in a supportive family, he spent his early years enjoying sports, music, and creative activities. Known for his cheerful personality and strong sense of curiosity, he developed a growing interest in performance during his teenage years. Although he had no formal entertainment background, his passion and natural charisma set him apart. His life changed dramatically when he successfully auditioned for JYP Entertainment in Australia. Leaving behind family, friends, and the comfort of home, he moved to South Korea to pursue a dream that seemed both exciting and intimidating. The transition was not easy. Felix had to learn a new language, adapt to a different culture, and meet the demanding expectations of the trainee system. Years of intense training followed. Under JYP Entertainment, he worked tirelessly to improve his dancing, vocals, rap skills, and stage presence. His perseverance became evident during the survival program that formed Stray Kids. Despite facing challenges along the way, Felix demonstrated resilience and determination, earning his place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as a member of Stray Kids. The group quickly attracted attention for their self-produced music, energetic performances, and distinctive identity. Within the team, Felix became instantly recognizable for his unusually deep voice, a characteristic that created a striking contrast with his youthful appearance. His unique vocal tone soon became one of the defining elements of Stray Kids' sound. As Stray Kids expanded their influence globally, Felix emerged as one of the group's most popular members. Through chart-topping albums, sold-out world tours, and record-breaking achievements, he played an important role in the group's international success. His ability to connect with fans across cultures was strengthened by his fluency in English and his approachable personality. By 2026, Felix is regarded as one of the most recognizable faces in modern K-pop. Industry professionals praise his stage charisma and versatility, while fans admire his humility, kindness, and dedication. His career reflects continuous growth, evolving from a trainee adapting to a new country into a global performer capable of commanding massive audiences. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects discipline and balance. He maintains demanding schedules involving rehearsals, recordings, international travel, and fitness training. Despite the pressures of fame, he often emphasizes personal growth, health, and maintaining meaningful connections with those around him. His fashion influence has expanded significantly over the years. Known for his elegant visuals and modern style, Felix frequently collaborates with luxury brands and appears at major fashion events. His ability to combine sophistication with youthful energy has made him a favorite among designers and photographers alike. While public interest often focuses on his personal life, Felix remains relatively private. He prefers directing attention toward music, performances, and creative development. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and deeply considerate of both fans and fellow artists. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects income generated through album sales, world tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various brand partnerships. Beyond financial achievements, he has established himself as an influential figure within both the music and fashion industries. What many people find most compelling is his authenticity. Whether interacting with fans, performing on stage, or sharing moments from daily life, Felix consistently projects sincerity and gratitude. This genuine connection has become one of the strongest foundations of his global popularity. Felix's journey is defined by perseverance and transformation. From a teenager in Sydney with ambitious dreams to an internationally recognized performer, his rise reflects courage, dedication, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, talented, humble, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.